First question, find the minimum bandwidth for an ASK signal transmitting at 2000 bits per second. The transmission mode is half duplex. And minimum bandwidth required. And this is for half duplex. So the bandwidth is same as this bit rate. Bit rate and also the baud rate. Here bit rate is equal to baud rate. So the bandwidth also equal to this bit rate. So here the answer is C, 2000 Hz. And second question, which of the following is most affected by noise? And answer here is B, ASK. Because here in ASK the amplitude only changes, remaining or constant. So the amplitude is affected, most affected by the noise. So the following is most affected by noise. The modulation scheme is ASK, amplitude shift keying. B is the answer. Third question, if the bit rate for an ASK signal is 1200 bits per second, the baud rate is, and in ASK bit rate is equal to baud rate. As I said earlier, bit rate that is equal to baud rate. So here the answer is 1200. Since the bit rate is 1200 bits per second, so the baud rate also 1200. So the answer is D. Fourth question, given a bandwidth of 10,000 Hz, find the bandwidth in each direction. And this is a full duplex transmission. So the bandwidth here is 10,000 divided by 2. So here the answer is 5,000 Hz. In each direction, the bandwidth is 5,000 Hz. Answer here is C. Fifth question, in the half duplex mode ASK, the bandwidth is 5,000 Hz. Find its bit rate. So this is a half duplex ASK where the bandwidth is equal to baud rate and baud rate is equal to bit rate. So bit rate and bandwidth both are same. So the bit rate here is 5000 bits per second. So the answer here is D. Sixth question, in a full duplex ASK with bandwidth 10,000 Hz, so the minimum level is 1000 and maximum is 11,000 Hz. Find its carrier frequencies. And this is a full duplex ASK. So the formula for finding carrier frequency in lower side, that is equal to, so here the formula here is 1000 lower range and plus 5000, that is half of this bandwidth, 10,000 divided by 2 and divided by 2. So this is the formula for finding the lower case. So 10,000 plus 5,000, half of this bandwidth divided by 2. So we will get 1000 plus 2500. So the answer here is 3500 Hz. Similarly, the upper case, that is equal to this 11,000 minus the same thing, 5,000 divided by 2. So we will get 8,500 Hz. So here the answer is A, 3500 Hz and 8,500 Hz. A is the answer. Seventh question, ASK is the example of digital to analog modulation. And ASK is the example of digital to analog modulation. Answer here is B. Eighth question, in ASK the strength of carrier signal varies for its amplitude changes, and both frequency and phase remain constant, but the amplitude changes. So here the answer is C. Both frequency phase remain constant, but the amplitude changes. In ASK, amplitude alone changes. So the answer here is C. Ninth question, the difference between conventional ASK and on-off keying ASK is, and where in on-off keying ASK, that is OOK ASK, it uses 0 volt for any one of the bit representation, and one bit is represented using 0 volt, so we can save energy. So here the answer is A. So if the value is 0, we transmit 0 voltage. So we can use this method is used to save energy. It is not for 0. You can use this is for binary 1 also. So OOK uses 0 volt for any 1 bit representation. So this is the difference between conventional ASK and OOK ASK. Answer here is A. And final question, the number of signal unit per second is called baud rate. So here the answer is C. Number of bits per second, this is known as bit rate. Number of signal per second, signal unit per second is called baud rate. So here the answer is C.